everyone, it's Angela. I am so excited to be back with you guys to share my most recent journal. I've been on the the design team for many months now, and I've had time to, wow, to search all the things, all the graphics, images that are offered on the premium membership site. And guys, I still haven't seen everything there is to see. It's just thousands upon thousands. So I'm here to tell you that if you need inspiration, the Graphics Fairy Premium Membership site is the place to be. And if you already have a theme in mind, you will definitely find the graphics available there at the site. They have a search bar, you just type it in, and whatever you're looking for will pop up. And again, they have the theme bundles, which is what I typically go with. I love that they're all curated and put together. This month I chose the black and cream ephemera. This is like just a small version, and you can print these out whatever sizes you need. And I pretty much incorporated everything that was included in this journal. Just the birds, the butterflies, the papers for the covers and the pockets, the journaling cards. It comes with a wide variety of those. It also has the miniature envelopes and the cards to go inside for hidden journaling. Just it's a really beautiful, elegant, simple. I like the simplicity of this bundle. And this month I paired it. I wanted to do a hope themed journal. This time of year, I think really I don't know, we just start to slow down and we take time to just see what's around us, and we're filled more with gratitude. And so I wanted to create a journal that captures that and inspires me to slow down and to write down memories and reflect upon the goodness that abounds around me. So these are great. This is hope quotes, and they're just sentiments that you'll see throughout the journal. So let's start. Let's go inside. This is a separate tie closure. I used the sari trim, and I made for a sturdy back base there with paper. And I just layered, simple layering with some cheesecloth, dyed cheesecloth, and some cardboard. And then the graphics here from the Graphics Fairy, the floral, it's one of the journaling cards. And this is part of that paper as well. And just added a button and a little corner embellishment there. So you can just take that off, and then you just have a simple cover. One of the papers again from the kit, and I just stitched a border all the way around, added a doily to the top. Simple. And then inside we have the front pocket, Echoes of Hope. And inside are things just tucked into, just to inspire you. So this is just a handwritten, I wrote this, a hope that transforms, Hebrews 6:19. Some people, you hear will do in January a word of the year. Hope is my life word. I love it so much, and it comes from this verse. And I love it so much, I have a daughter named Hope as well. So there's that. Blessings. It's a little card. You can write your blessings. Some of the journaling cards. Blank space. And some writing that you could do there. Love this picture. These little girls smiling, full of gratitude. And you can journal on the back. These are those smaller envelopes that are included in the bundle. Just add a little embellishment. And then there's cards to go with it. You'll see those throughout. You can include them inside of here, or you can put them in different areas of the journal. Another one of the journaling cards, Hope. Stuck there. The birds. I love the birds. I used the birds from this bundle, and I also used another bundle. I think it was the Bird Watchers. At the bottom of my blog post, you'll see a list of all the different kits I pulled from. I love how the birds go perfect with this theme of hope. Just seeing how, just in creation, seeing the way God made them, and this just shows all the anatomy. And birds always have a song to sing. And it just reminds me of how, you know, if God takes care of the birds, just how much more does he take care of us? And this is this paper that I used is a newsprint paper. I buy the pads from the paper pads from Walmart, or not Walmart, Michael's, and you can get them 50% off. And I just cut them down to size and stick them right in my printer. That way you don't have to print on the back, and it still has like that age look, and I like the way that the paper feels. Some of the sari trim on the side here, a dictionary page, and I printed this out on coffee dyed paper. Lots of space for journaling. I try to make my journals like well balanced, where there is enough to inspire you with the images and things throughout, but there's also lots of space for journaling. This is the faux washi. Again, the bird there with the nest, and it says, "The birds of hope are everywhere. Listen to them sing." And this is the little card, or the card. The envelope was back here that you could tuck inside of there, or you can use them separately like this and put them in the pocket. This is, I do a lot of double side printing, so here, and then they have the parchment. The Graphics Fairy has a beautiful parchment bundle that I like to use for the back side of paper. And I love their washi. And this I love. I made a little simple paper clip. She's not quite sure what to think, her facial expression there. And it's just a reminder that it doesn't matter what we're going through in our circumstances, that we have a firm foundation, we have hope. And it's just layered with, again, actually these are washi strips, so you don't even have to use them as washi. You can cut them out, use them as just patterned paper. And I just layered it with the fabric and the button, the safety pin, and the little girl and hope. So just love her expression there. This is the script, the olden day looking script, and again the parchment mixed with lots of coffee dyed paper, washi. This is probably one of my favorite images from this bundle. It's gorgeous. Just the bird and the front porch, just a little bit of trim, and then you have all this space for journaling. I love it because this acts like a little tuck spot right here. And then you can put some hidden journaling in there. Another envelope that's been embellished. Another one of those birds. Love those birds. This I printed out on coffee dyed paper, and then a blank page. I love this rich black, and you could add your own art sentiments on there. This came from an old poem, a book, and so I just included the flowers. In the center is the beautiful butterfly, and it says, "Begin each day anew." And again, going back to this, you pick it, and then you, on your printer, can set what size you want. And so I made it large. There. Sari trim. I have a journaling card here and another one here. Just gorgeous, the simplicity. Again, you can't go wrong with the black and white or black and cream. Another quote, and then this is from a vintage book of the birds of the air. They can teach us so much. This is one of my favorite pages because it's a large pocket, and it says, "Reflect upon your present blessings." And then inside of the pocket are some journaling cards that you could document, and then a little tag that says "Blessed." That's it. Cherish every moment. More journaling. Spot. pocket. Home affection. Love this picture. So I included that, and then you can journal there. The faux washi, and just add a little embellishment there. And some more paper, birds for Berkshire. And you could write on the back. Again, this is printed double, the front, and then the parchment on the back. Love this picture here. It shows a little boy and a little girl, probably a brother and a sister, and they're waiting. And it is really hard to wait patiently, isn't it? Especially for children. So just a good reminder that we wait with hope, with great expectation. And then here I printed land birds. And then on the back, just double-sided again, printed. And then there's a journaling card with the anatomy of the bird. There. Music, another tuck pocket there. And then this was really fun. This is kind of like a journal within a journal. This is included in the bundle. It says notes and just more space. There's a pocket, more space for you to document gratitude, memories, thoughts, prayers, and then the back pocket. And there you have it. Hope. I pray that this has inspired you maybe to just slow down and to document your gratitude. And I just thank you for joining me today.